Governor Kim Reynolds is warning Iowans that COVID-19 is here to stay and that more people need to be vaccinated to prevent outbreaks. New at noon, KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is live at the Iowa State House where the governor held her news conference this morning. Todd, there was also a promise to keep Iowans informed.
That's right, Alex. In fact, the governor says that they are increasing their frequency of reporting on their COVID-19 website because the number of vaccinations is down and the number of infections and deaths is up, and that's the problem that they're running into at this point. It's an about face to the slowdown of reporting in recent months of COVID-19. Reynolds says 79% of people now hospitalized for COVID-19 are unvaccinated, so there is a clear connection there. Now, the governor stressed the importance of being vaccinated at her news conference this morning, but she actually stopped short of asking for a mandate. She is sticking with her policy of providing health care statistics to Iowans and then letting them make up their own mind.
I also believe this approach is more effective than mandates that attempt to dictate other people's behavior. Iowans care about the common good. They're capable of making their own informed decisions about their health, and they deserve the respect from their leaders to allow them to do so.
Now, the Iowa Department of Public Health will now update its COVID-19 website 3 times a week. That will be Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, and this all starts tomorrow. Now, you might remember it cut back last July, and that was when some of those COVID numbers were falling at that point. Now, of course, they are on the rise. We're live at the State House. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Todd, thank you. New at noon, we have an updated picture on how many people are in Iowa hospitals battling COVID. 524 people are now in the hospital, according to the state health department, and that's an increase of more than 5% over last week. While hospitalizations have been steadily rising for more than a month now, the number of patients is about 1/3 of Iowa's peak, which was back in November. And COVID-19 cases in our state are shooting up once again. They've risen by nearly 250% over the last month. So go ahead and take a look at your screen now. Data released yesterday from the state does show about 8,900 more cases were reported last week. So this brings our statewide total to more than 441,000 cases. The numbers show cases among young people are soaring. 22% of last week's new infections were among people 17 and under. That's the most of any age group. 20% of the positive cases were in people 18 to 29, and more than half of the new cases are in people younger than 40.